welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you're doing amazing. Today we're looking at Bonkcoin, which is now spiraling down in price. Bonkcoin was trending just a few weeks ago, and to be honest, it had an amazing parabolic bull run. You can see over here the price, the performance was absolutely incredible, and it has now naturally corrected. So let's have a look at this particular position. Is it a good time to be accumulating? We can see that Bonkcoin has now got a $74 million market cap, so it's going to be very volatile being a low market cap coin. You're going to see some major swing highs and swing lows for this particular coin right here. And I think also kind of looking at the markets, we can sort of see how much volume we're getting in the 24 hours across different exchanges, which is, it's moderate, I would say. We're seeing, over the last 24 hours, 2 million here on Bybit. Gate.io is also getting over 2 million. Huobi is also getting over $2 million there. So it's safe to say there's a fair bit of volume here. We're just not seeing that massive price pump that we're initially hoping for. So fingers crossed, we might see some more positive movement. Following of 108,600 at the moment, the first Solana dog coin for the people. And I do think it is quite a cool token in the fact that, meme coins, the community strength, it's a really powerful movement. And being the first Solana meme-based coin, dog coin at least, it's really, really cool. And you can see here 13 hours ago, Drift Protocol V2, we're thrilled to share the final update for the 10 billion Bonk Bonanza. Traders unlocked the maximum prize pool by blowing past a 10 million target and reaching over 14 million in volume. So lots of cool, fun things like this happening, which helps drive more volume and unique transactions to the platform itself. So all about Solana. We've seen the Solana pump recently, done over like a 3x since the $8, I think, which is also really, really fantastic. So this is Bonkcoin for those of you that don't know. And it says, basically, a dog coin for the people, by the people, with 50% of the total supply airdrop to the Solana community. So it's all about reviving that Solana ecosystem. Now, looking at the SolScan side of things, it's interesting. It's interesting because we can already see there's 131,000 holders, and that's quite a significant amount. That really reflects that they have done their job well. Lots of pre-sales we've been looking at. By the end of the pre-sale, we're seeing 10,000 to 20,000 holders, but Bonkcoin achieved 131,000 within a very short time frame, and I think that really reflects the strength of meme coins in the blockchain space right now, and they'll probably be timeless and forever, hold their value at the same time. So we're seeing a lot of transactions. The market cap here, fully diluted, 124 million, I believe. And I think it's looking pretty decent, but it's hard to say what's going to happen. So we might as well step into some price analysis over here. So it's clearly in a major downtrend. Looking at the price action, it's a big blow off top right here. It just looks a little bit like, I don't know, just looks like erectional dysfunction, really, doesn't it, guys? I mean, look at this, guys. If you go to the top, we can see that this actually corrected 77%. Now that is quite surprising, because typically we can see altcoins correct between 80 and 90%. Seeing a 77% correction from DEX tools, of course, the price would have been much lower at one point. It does show that there's a massive sign of strength from the bulls. And in this particular time frame, we can see we printed consecutive daily red candles. Now we're printing a green candle known as a doji candle, which reflects equal buying and selling strength. If we move into the hour time frame, I think it's important to also understand what is exactly going on. So we're starting to form another pattern just like this the other day, a symmetrical triangle where we've got converging support and resistance trend lines. And what this means is that we're starting to see consolidation, but we're also preparing for a bounce or a potential correction. So a volatile movement in either direction could potentially happen. If we look at the previous pump here, if we take that swing high to the swing low of the symmetrical triangle, it pumped up to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Now, if we were to look at this and use this data kind of forecast the same thing to happen, a healthy price prediction for Bonkcoin would be around 0.1825 to the power of 5. So that's another place we can look for. Alternatively, this support trend line here needs to be held of roughly 0.01284. It is breaking through a resistance right now, so it could be potentially entering a new uptrend once again and repeating this pattern right here. But it does look like, an M shape, which is typically a bearish reversal pattern as well. known as a double top. So it's really hard to say what could happen at the moment, guys. I would advise not putting too much of your net worth or your liquid worth into these type of coins, especially during the volatile market. But it is really nice to see Bitcoin pumping back through $21,000 at the moment. We'd hope to see some more altcoin pumps in the next few days. And remember, the key resistance here, a really, really key resistance for Bonkcoin right now is actually, in my opinion, around here where we had this previous swing high on the triangle, but also we've got a lot of consolidation, swing high, swings low around this sort of 0.016 to the power of 5 level as well. So just a few levels to look out for. If you're new to my channel as well, guys, get yourself down below into the Discord. There's also a few cool links to pre-sales there. Very risky. Don't recommend risking a lot of money there at all. But do check out the Discord down below, as it's really a good place to start learning and connecting with people. Ask any questions you need to, and yeah, check out the links. Come join the Patreon, join the Discord, be part of the community, and thank you so much. Have a blessed day. See you later, guys. Bye.